Hi everyone! I'm sharing this special recipe for you to enjoy and at the same time earn from it. I modified this Kutsinta recipe based on the different recipes I tried. Hope you try this too! Prepare 3 cups of warm pandan water and stir in 3/4 cup of brown sugar until well dissolved. To make pandan water, simply boil the pandan leaves and it will give the Kutsinta a nice flavor and aroma. Slowly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and tapioca flour. Then mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of atsuete water, mix well and rest for at least 30 minutes. Lightly brush the tin molds with oil. You can also use different kinds of molds depending on what you have at home. Put 1 tablespoon of lye water only when you are about to steam the Kutsinta. Let the mixture rest for around 15 minutes. Then fill the tin molds with the mixture. Boil water in high heat, then lower the temperature to medium when you are about to put the Kutsinta. After 5 minutes, open the cover and release some of the steam. Then cover and continue steaming for at least 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of the Kutsinta. Once done, remove the Kutsinta from the molds. Then put the choice of toppings you like. So now you have a chewy and tasty Kutsinta. Happy eating!